Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get AI mode on Snapchat. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store. And from here you search for this Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. From here what you need to do it, update new version. I am already updated, and after that go back your home screen and open your Snapchat. Type on your profile icon and type on Snapchat Plus. From here what you need to do is tap on subscribe button, and after that you are enable AI mode. If the method doesn't work, what you need to do is change your country or region and set USA. So go back your home screen and open your Play Store. And from here you type on your profile icon and tap on payment and subscription. Tap on this and tap on payment method and tap on more payment setting and tap on this three line and tap on again settings and tap on country or region. Tap on this and tap on create a new profile. Tap on this and tap on continue, and from here set your USA country. Scroll down and search for this USA. Scroll down and search USA country. From here you guys can see USA, then tap on USA, and after that tap on again continue. From here enter your information, town, city and other information, and after that tap on submit. After submit, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.